Look like an Egyptian. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, we are doing another Shopee haul. And today's video is going to be an affordable, sexy, see-through lingerie panty haul from Shopee, and it's going to be our part 6. Let's proceed to the video and let's do our first item for the day. This is a very good design. It's a sexy panty see-through or lucky charm. Parang blue to a red. It's like a dark red, which is really my typical color. I do love it. Details again, see-through, of course. Pocket area, it's not cotton. A little bit transparent. It's a little bit scratchy, huh? And very sexy. This is the typical Ivana Alawi type of panty. I got it from an online shopping again from Shopee. Look at this stone right here. Para siyang ruby, no? Fake lang. Like the jewels right here. Gold plated. I don't know if over time, keep on washing this, it might turn silver. Comfortable, striking, all of it. Fiery. You can hit the target. Blah. Pili na kayo sa Shopee. Mag-online shopping na kayo guys. Sa under $1. Wala akong above 50 dito. So it's more very mura, very cheap. And you know, if you wanna feel sexy, you wanna be good with your partner, saan pa kayo? Dito na kayo. Butaro na mo guys. Next panty, it's a bit the same, but different ano siya, concept, but it's just different, like lace and materials they are using. And this time it's going to be ang panty kong purple. Again, this is about less than $1, like 49 pesos, I believe. Yeah, price is very cheap. You can save a lot of money. It's very budget friendly. Big savings, you guys. And this time, I think I got this in a discount. See, look at that. No? Look like an Egyptian. Parang maganda to siya. Parang siyang mask, no? Thong. Like a G-string type. And luxurious. It has like a zirconia. No, somewhat like a stone. It's like fake, guys. If you have a body sexy like Ivana Alawi, go for it. Don't really hide it. At the end of the night, there's the end of a story. And the last item, of course, is going to be Chadan, of course, black. Nice, guys. See like that. And look at the back. Bam. You know, all this type of materials, guys, hand wash only, okay? Very gently, lightly. Huwag nyo yung washing machine, mabuslot na yun yung panty. Palit-palit kung mag-sexy niya, mabuslot ka lahat sa washing machine. Okay, don't. What do you think? Are you agree that this is sexy? You can really hit the target with this one. Just the right type of design. Embroidery, see-through, lingerie. In comparison with, you know, those high-end lingerie, it can compete with it. Okay, so would I suggest it? Would I recommend it? Would I let you buy it? Yes, I definitely would like you to, you know, try it. These are all my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye. Alright, are you satisfied? Yes. Alright, this is like you know, a tiny string. This is tiny sexy see-through panty. Yeah, kikita pa rin ang kaluluwa niya dito guys. No, makikita pa rin siya. Hindi siya mawawala sa buhay niyo. It will improve your brain. Sexy, tiny, super sexy. Yes. Ano, sexy type ang Ivana, no? Type niyo ba?